As you may know, it's so hard in this modern-day world to find true love. And we at Nutty by Nature want to celebrate true love. So, are Mr. and Mrs. Rothberg here? Alan and Nan. Come on, come on.
Give a round of applause for coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Come on up, have a seat.
They're a real Romeo and Juliet story here. So, as a special treat, Ted and Elaine are going to act out your lives. What is it that you do for a living?
Sell equipment.
Sell what kind of equipment?
Conveying equipment.
He sells conveying equipment. And what do you do? She teaches nursery school. And how did you two meet?
At school.
At school, at college?
Yes.
They met at college. Where do you live?
Here in Tuaca.
They live here, and just don't tell me how many, but do you have kids?
Yes.
Yes, they have kids. All right. So the way this works is Ted and Elaine are going to act out your lives. And every time they get something right, you're going to ring that bell. Give it a ring.
Sorry, conveying what? Equipment. Gotcha.
And every time they get something wrong, you are going to honk this horn. All right. So if they're right, you ring the bell. If they're wrong, you honk the horn. And watch your lives unfold before you.
This is a great frat party.
Hey,
Oh my gosh!
I saw you were having some beer. Can you get me some? Can you get me a glass of wine?
You're a classy lady. I noticed you with a few other guys earlier. I thought you might be a little... Listen, I think you're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
Thank you. And you're so attractive. Do you want to find another place that's quieter?
You want to find a place a little noisier? Let's go to a dance club.
Let's go to a coffee shop.
Oh.
This cheesecake's awesome.
Wow. I always want to take you to the Cheesecake Factory. Wow. We're on a roll.
We are on a roll. So, do you think maybe we could see each other again?
I think
I'm not quite sure how to respond to that. Hey, listen, this coffee's been wonderful. How would you like to go out on a real date?
I would love that.
How about if we take you out to a nice restaurant?
But Italian. Chinese. Oh,
No, Italian was right. Oh, they have great Italian and Chinese food here.
Egg rolls. Pasta.
Boy, you sure like to eat. I like that in a woman.
Well, you know, I'm an athlete. I just enjoy food.
Hey, listen, would you be interested in getting serious with a guy that his goals are conveying equipment?
That's fascinating.
Isn't it? It's a lofty goal, but that's always what I wanted to do. My parents always wanted me to get into conveying equipment.
Conveying. I love it. So, are you proposing?
Darling,
Yes.
we've been together for a little while now, and
Wait, I haven't used my wine.
I was wondering if you wanted to shack up with me. No, I'm going to make it proper. Would you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Isn't this the largest ring you've ever seen? I'm sorry, when I sell a lot more conveying equipment, I'll get you a bigger one. Oh, I'm glad we're here at our wedding. Mazel tov! That was a pretty good guess. I mean, that was kind of easy guess.
Here we are on our honeymoon in Jamaica, Cancun,
Greece.
Rome,
It's somewhere warm.
Iceland. I mean Madrid.
Somewhere warm? Oh, it's beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
Oh, darling.
Lisa, I'll tell you, these nursery school brats I've had. I mean, they're just needy, so needy.
Listen.
You, don't get me started.
Oh, honey, ever since I moved us to Tuaco, I thought you were happy.
I am happy, and I'm so happy that I have some news.
Oh, my God, you mean you've gained weight? Be careful with that.
No, actually, I'm with child. And you know what? It's happening.
Oh, my goodness. Are you going to have a home birth?
Yeah, home birth.
No, let me drive you to the hospital. Okay.
Oh, there a girl.
Oh, wow.
Let's name her after your grandmother.
Let's name her after you.
Let's name her after my grandmother.
Let's just give her a nice Jewish name. Oh, honey?
I can't work and be pregnant at the same time.
Not again.
Oh, when can I take a break?
Oh, let's get you to the hospital again. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, thank goodness, it's a boy this time. Oh, God. Another girl.
Let's name her Lisa. Oh, sorry. Rachel. Stephanie. Sylvia. Let's name her something.
Okay. Again?
No, I'm done.
Just gas?
I had enough of the two. I've got my hands full. The nursery school, the two little girls. I mean, it's a lot to handle. And how's the conveying going there?
It's still doing pretty well. Listen, it's doing enough so that I was thinking about taking you out.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, and...
Where are we going?
Well, I tell you what, I'm not...
You never take me out anywhere. I mean, we're going to have to go to the synagogue to have a day out.
That's what I had in mind. Listen, I understand that there's a really funny improv troupe, but I hope they don't bring us on stage and embarrass us.
Yeah, me too.
Let's give a round of applause.